Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is virus. All of you have heard about coronavirus? Yes, that is the biological virus which infects people around. So we need to be vaccinated to prevent it. Similarly, in terms of computer, there is also a virus which infects the file. It's actually a program which start corrupting the file by replicating them and spread in the computer system and disrupts its functioning. So let's begin with effects of computer virus, types of computer viruses, how to avoid virus, antivirus software. Let's just start the chapter.
Chapter 2. Virus. Virus is defined as a program inserted into another. It gets activated by its host program. It replicates itself and spreads to other files through floppy transfer. Every time the user runs the virus-infected program or data, virus takes advantages and replicates itself. Effects of computer virus. It may not be noticed that the computer is under attack until we realize something is missing or going wrong when we open an attachment or a program with virus. Here is a couple of signs which may show that the computer is under attack. Computer works slower than it was. Computer freezes frequently or doesn't open properly. Computer restarts in every couple of minutes. System doesn't work properly and restarts itself. Applications in the computer doesn't work properly. It becomes difficult to reach to disks and drivers. Files cannot be printed. Unusual errors appear on the screen. Distorted menus and dialog boxes starts to appear. What virus cannot do? Virus cannot damage computer hardware physically. It cannot affect write-protected disks like CD-ROM. It cannot affect compressed files. Virus created for Windows operating system will not activate on Macintosh system or vice versa. Types of computer viruses. Boot sector virus. This type of virus infects the master boot record, and it is challenging and a complex task to remove. This virus often requires the system to be formatted. It mostly spreads through removable media. Direct action virus. This is also called non-resident virus. It gets installed or stays hidden in the computer memory. It stays attached to the specific type of files that it infects. It does not affect the user experience and system's performance. Resident virus. Unlike direct action viruses, resident viruses get installed on the computer. It is difficult to identify the virus and it is even difficult to remove them. Multiparate virus. This type of virus spreads through multiple ways. It infects both the boot sector and executable files at the same time. Polymorphic virus. It is difficult to identify this type of virus with a traditional antivirus program. This is because the polymorphic virus alters its signature pattern whenever it replicates. Overwrite virus. This type of virus deletes all the files that it infects. The only possible mechanism to remove it is to delete the infected files, and the end user has to lose all the contents in it. Identifying the overwrite virus is difficult as it spreads through emails. Spacefiller virus. This is also called cavity virus. This is called so as it fills up the empty spaces files. Some file infector viruses infect any program for which execution is requested, including also loaded. Macro virus. As the name suggests, the macro viruses particularly target macro language commands in applications like Microsoft Word. The same is implied on other programs too. How to avoid virus? Do not open an email attachment unless you were expecting it and know whom it's from. Do not open any unsolicited executable file, document, spreadsheet, etc. Avoid downloading executable documents from the internet as these often spread viruses. Never open files with a double file extension. Example, filename.txt.vbs. This is typical sign of a virus program. Do not send or forward any file that you haven't checked for virus first. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is special security software that aims to give better protection that is offered by the underlying operating system. In most cases, it is used as a preventive solution. However, when that fails, the antivirus software is used to disinfect the infected programs or to completely clean malicious software from the operating system. Norton Antivirus, McAfee Virus Scan, Virex, Kaspersky, Avast, Average, Bitdefender, Quick Heal, Shield Deluxe are some examples of antivirus software.